In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can snooze an email in Gmail. Okay, so I'm going to open up my Gmail app, and this process is very simple and straightforward. So in order to snooze a specific email, you need to first find the one that you want to snooze. So I'll select the one right at the top of my screen, and then all you need to do is long press on the specific email without opening it, and just long press on it. And then you'll see a whole bunch of options appear at the top, like delete and everything like that. But you want to tap on those three vertical dots at the top right hand corner. And then the second option, you can see it says snooze. Just tap on snooze. And now you can select the duration of how long you want to snooze it for. So you can choose tomorrow, next week, and next weekend, select the date and time. So I'll just snooze it until next week. And there you can see that one message has been snoozed until Monday, 18th of April. And that's all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.